Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell some digital products on your Squarespace website in 2024. Whether you're offering ebooks as an example, or you're trying to sell some courses, some design templates maybe, or any other digital like content that you have. I'll guide you through the process or step-by-step guide on how basically to sell those stuff. And of course, by the end of this video, you'll be able to start selling your digital products seamlessly on Squarespace. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, of course, just go to the URL section. All you need to type just squarespace.com. So squarespace.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to the same page, but you will find as example a login option in the top right corner. So just wait for the page to load. I don't know why it's taking so much time. So basically, of course, the face page is this. So instead of the icon right here, you'll find the login option. Just go and log in into another like tab. Maybe it will work. So yeah, it's working right now. So as you can see, you'll be able to click on login to log in into your account. If you have an account by any chance, if you don't have an account, click on get started instead. And if you have, as an example, a Google account, Apple or Facebook account, you'll be able to use one of those. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you will find yourself in the account dashboard here right away. If you don't have a website yet, you can simply just go here and click on create a website as an example. And I've already made, as an example, some videos about how to create a website, even using AI if you want to go and check them out. And now for me, I'll just go and choose a website to, of course, like add the digital products on for you or to sell the digital products on for you. If you don't have a website, go and create one. Then you can go through that experience. For me, I'll just go and choose a website. If you have a website as well, you can just go and choose the website that you want to sell the digital products on. So in here, all I need to do, of course, is simply go to this list panel, and as you can see, you'll find the selling option right here. So just go and click on that. As you can see here, you'll find yourself of set up the store, as you can see. So you'll have to add products, payments, fulfillment, subscription, then of course publish it. So you'll be good to go. Of course, to add your digital products, all you need to do just go to this products, click on it, and as you can see here, you have different options of products to add. You'll have physical, service, download, a gift card, member site, a video on demand, equity scheduling, or course, or even blog. So it's up to you to decide what digital products you would like to have in your like website. You would like to have like a video on demand. You would like to add a course as example for selling. You would like to add, I don't know, a download file or a service maybe as example. So all of those as example could be counted or counted actually as some digital products or services. So it's up to you to add whatever you want. For me as an example, let's say I would like to add a download file as in my digital products here in my website. So I'll just go and click on that. And as you can see, I'll be taken to this page. So here I'll have to fill up all the information about my products, and I should be good to go. So as an example here, we'll start by the name. For me, I'll just name it like download tests. For you, it's up to you to name it whatever you want. For the description, it's actually very important for your digital product so it can sell effectively. If you don't know how to create one, you either have to get inspired, as you can see, by the things that's in here, or you can use some AI tools like ChatGPT that will help you, of course, create some description for your products. So here, make sure to add a good description about your products. So for me, I'll just add just testing around. For you, of course, you'd like even, or if you want, you can add some additional info. As an example, here you'd like to, or you'll be able to add some additional info to your products page, along with like description, maybe some videos or other content of that specific like product. Other than that, you'll have to add images of that product. As an example, you can select from library if you have it already uploaded. If not, click on upload a file to upload it from your PC. For me, as example, I'll choose a random picture here I have, and I'll choose a second one. Why not? And yeah, so example for the file here, because I choose download, so I'll have to choose the file that I should upload or that people when they buy as example this product or the service, this file will they will get this file, as simple as that. So for me, I'll just go and upload like a simple video in here as maybe the file that they are buying, as a digital product. So of course now it's time to set up the price for it. For me, as example, just put this on $10. You can put this on sales example, and as example it was $10 and you can make it $8. Of course this is like some marketing strategies. I'm not going through that because it's up to you, of course, if you know, if I don't know if you're good at it, if you're not. So it's up to you, of course, if you want to add this on sale or not. As you can see, customers will receive like a secure link for file testing 24 hours after the first download like of the file. Just keep that in mind. For me, I'll not add this on sale, or just add this as example here. I'll put $12, and here I'll put $10. Why not? So for organization, if you have any, make sure to add first of all like the categories. Create categories to buckets like products. Categories will appear in the store navigation. If you have like multiple digital products, as example, if you're selling courses, custom videos, and etc., you would like to create categories for that. So, as example, create a category for courses alone. As example, it's a downloadable file. So for me, I don't know. I'll just add maybe custom videos because I added a video. So here I'll just add custom videos. As example, click on add as a category, and of course I'll check that category to be added to that specific products. And here, of course, you'd like to add any tags like the keyword. Basically, this is very important to connect like related products. Tags will not be shown in your store, but it's very important for the SEO ranking of your store. So make sure to add some tags as example. So I'll just add here a video as a keyword. For the selling tools, if you want to add some add-ons on your products, of course, you would like to add them, or you'll be able to add them. Features products, of course, if you have any, just add release products as example, products reviews, if you want links like a video or something like that. Now, of course, it's come to marketing. Here's the SEO and URL, how it's going to look like for people, as example, out there. And here, of course, for social share, if you would like to share it with people, how it's going to look like again. So for accounts, you'll be able to switch accounts as an example if you want. Now for checkouts, of course, you'd like to add some custom fonts, or you will be able to add some custom fonts if you want. Also, you can add some custom buttons as example, and it will be totally up to you to do whatever you want with it. So once you finish everything about it, just go to the top right option, click on publish or save, of course, if you want to edit anything later. Then of course you can come back and click on publish, and it should be published into your store without any problems. Example, the product is saving. Now if I go to my website and click on the shop in here, I should find, as you can see, so download test example, so the preview of the images that I choose, the price and everything is in there. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.